Hi, Donald. I'm ready.
Ready?
You didn't forget, did you? It's Valentine's Day, our first date anniversary, and my half birthday. You promised to take me on a big surprise outing with every little detail taken care of. Remember?
Oh, yeah. Of course I remember. Let's go.
Ah, Donald, isn't this wonderful and so romantic?
Anything for you, Toots.
Oh, Donald, will you read me a poem? A poem would be so nice and romantic.
But,
Isn't this my special trip?
okay. What's the red bucket from you? Let me fish.
Donald, how come you never serenade me? Play me a romantic song, will ya? Donald!
What?
Rub my footsie, would ya? Excuse me, Donald. Donald, I'm talking to you. Donald.
Now, what did you want?
I just wanted to tell you, I think fish are gross. Ew. Do 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 dee da 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 da.
There's everywhere. So, Daisy, do you want to roll?
Okay, hold on. Hey, this is fun. Donald, am I going the right way?
Huh? Oh, yeah, you're doing fine. Hey, what's a big idea?
I can't believe you planned a river rafting trip for us. This is going to be so much fun. Whee! Oh, Donald, you're so funny. Whee! Whee!
Kitty goes. I'm assassinated there.
Isn't it beautiful, Donald? So soothing and romantic. Woohoo! Ah, look at that!
Phew.
Hey, why'd we stop? Here we go!
Souvenir photo.
Donald, your eyes were closed. We're gonna go again. fun. We'll pay him, Donald. That was amazing. You are the best boyfriend ever. And just think, now you can read me poems and sing me songs and rub my feet with no interruptions ever.